Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making Ghana dry Bofrot. Very simple and easy to make and also delicious. And if you are interested in this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you haven't done so for more amazing recipes. I appreciate all your support, so let's get right into it. In a mixing bowl I have in 6 cups of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs. To it, I'll start by adding in evaporated milk gradually until I get the desired texture. So I'm going to be mixing it very well with a spatula and gradually adding in the evaporated milk. So at this point, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter and I'll continue mixing. At this point, I'm going to be using my hand to mix it very well until it's well incorporated. I'll now transfer the dough onto a flat surface and I'll continue to knead it for about 30 to 45 minutes until it becomes elastic and stretchy. You can also use electric mixer if you don't want to go through this process. And at this point, the dough is nicely done after kneading. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces and I'll roll it out into balls. And once it's done, I'll let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. But if you are using all-purpose flour, you have to wait for it to rise for about half an hour to 1 hour. If you have watched until this far, thank you all so much for watching. And please kindly subscribe, like and share for more amazing recipes. Continue watching until the end and don't skip any part of this video. So I'll continue with the process until it's all done. And at this point, it's nicely done and ready. So I got 12 pieces. So I'll now go ahead and cover it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's now ready to be frying at this point. So I've preheated my oil and it's very hot and ready. So I'll start by frying the dough and I'm adding in about 4 of them. And at this point you have to pay attention to the heat. If it's too much, because the outside will be very nicely done whilst the inside is still soggy. So I'll continue to fry them until it's golden and nicely done. And I tell you, it's smelling so good in my kitchen. So this is how we make Ghana dry Bofrot or puff puff, as we have 2 versions of Ghana Bofrot. We have dry and wet Bofrot. So this is the dry one. So the first part is now ready. I'll continue to fry the rest until it's all done. And if you have been staying with me until this point, thank you all so much for watching. And subscribe as well if you haven't done so. And be part of this amazing channel. And at this point, our Ghana Bofrot dry puff is all done, looking so delicious, smelling good, and very rich as well. And I hope you'll give this a try. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.